one of the things that symbolize the Scandinavian way is it's relatively democratic. So in quite a few school systems, you're taught how to learn things.
And how would edtech companies astutely figure out their product market fit?
Scandinavia, where Denmark is placed, has a very strong learning and school tradition. And I think one of the things that symbolize the Scandinavian way is it's relatively democratic. So in quite a few school systems, you're taught how to learn things. So you'll learn how to recite things or other things. In the Danish school system, it's very often a little bit different in the sense that it's more based of training you to get knowledge yourself. So it's more about the methods of learning than it's actually the content. And maybe that's actually also why we're doing uQualio like we're doing, because we kind of believe that you're the specialist. So very often people think that they need to go to a specialist to be told what to do right. But if you know how to do a job, chances are you're as good a specialist as any specialist.
Mm-hmm. All right.
So that's a difference. And then we know that everybody has to be part of the education. The reason why we developed to such an extent that we did was based on the fact that already very, very early after the Renaissance, people found out that the importance of everybody being educated was very, very, very relevant. And we're seeing that today. If you look at the FN SDG, the FN targets for how to improve the world, if you look at the reasons why education should be higher, it is based on the fact that if people are educated, they have less children's disease, children survive longer, less starvation, more richness, etc. So we cannot teach the world enough. We cannot make sure that the world is enough educated. So, and that's from our belief, that's actually part of the most important thing in the world to make it a richer and better world is to make sure that people are educated enough so that they go home and smile to their wife and children instead of going home beating them up or whatever they would do if they're unhappy.